When is it used? Volumetric pipettes are used to transfer specific amounts of solutions without using a graduated cylinder. Where does it go? Volumetric pipettes must lay within a tray. Where does it not go? Volumetric pipettes should never be able to roll around on the lab table. How to not use it? Do not use it as a sword or poking stick. Never work outside the lab table. Do not hold the pipette shut to build pressure in it. How to use it? Always use the pipette above the lab table surface, away from the floor. Carefully insert the pipette into the pump. Make sure you are not putting too much force so it breaks. Once the pipettes are in the pump, place the tip of the pipette into the solution. Rotate the wheel down to draw the solution up to the line. Transfer the solution to another beaker by pushing the handle until most of the solution is emptied. To remove all the solution, rotate the wheel up to empty the pipette completely. How to clean the pipette. Using distilled water, repeat the how to use steps at least 3 times and empty the water into a separate beaker or into the sink. When you finish cleaning the pipette, pull the pipette out of the pump and place them back on the tray.